Hello everyone, my name is Prajwal Bashatti. I am the team leader of Literal Ali Intelligent. My team members include Prem Kumar Halli, Shreyas Santi, Radhika Patil, Sushmita Bijapur, Ashwini Jangam Shetty. We have chosen the problem statement on the theme Clean and Green Technology under the software category. Today I am excited to discuss a critical issue that impacts us all, waste management. As we navigate through this presentation, we will explore the challenges we face in managing waste, the innovative solutions available to us, and the significant benefits that effective waste management can bring to our environment, economy, and society. Understanding waste management. Waste management is a fundamental aspect of environmental sustainability. It involves the systematic collection, treatment, and disposal of waste material to minimize their impact on human health and the environment. According to the United Nations, around 2 billion tons of waste is generated globally each year, with a significant proportion being mismatched. This management can lead to severe consequences such as pollution of our air and water, health risk for communities, and the depletion of natural resources. Understanding the scope of waste management is crucial for developing effective strategies to address these issues. Current challenges in waste management. Despite our best efforts, we face several significant challenges in waste management. High landfill usage is a major concern as landfills can lead to soil and water contamination. Low recycling rates indicate that many materials that could be reused or repurposed are instead ending up in landfills. Additionally, increasing greenhouse gas emission from the waste decomposition contribute to climate change. As our population continues to grow and consumption patterns change, the urgency for innovative solutions to these changes becomes more pronounced. We must act now to create a sustainable future.
Benefits of effective waste management. Implementing effective waste management strategies bring numerous benefits that extend beyond just waste reduction. Environmental benefits. By reducing landfill waste and minimizing greenhouse gases emissions, effective waste management contributes to a healthier planet. It helps protect ecosystem and biodiversity, ensuring the natural resources are conserved for future generations. Economic benefits. Optimizing waste collection routes and generating energy from waste can lead to significant cost savings for municipalities and waste management companies. Additionally, the development of recycling and waste to energy facility can create new jobs and stimulate local economies. Social benefits. Improved waste management practice lead to cleaner communities, which in turn enhances public health. Reducing waste-related pollution decreases health risk associated with exposure to hazardous materials. Furthermore, effective waste management fosters community pride and engagement as residents become more involved in sustainability efforts. Innovative technology in waste management. To effectively tackle the challenges of waste management, we can leverage innovative technologies that enhance efficiency and sustainability. Let's explore the three keys. The first key area is smart technology. Smart waste bins equipped with sensors can monitor waste level in real time, allowing waste management companies to optimize collection routes. This reduces unnecessary pickups, saving lifetime and fuel. Additionally, AI-powered recycling robots can sort materials more accurately than humans, increasing recycling rates and reducing contamination. Energy generation. It is the second major key area. Advanced technology like plasma gasification and waste to energy process can convert non-recyclable waste into usable energy. This not only reduces the volume of waste sent to landfills but also provide a renewable energy source.
Community engagement and education. Community engagement is essential for the success of the waste management initiatives. Educating the public about sustainable waste practices can foster a culture of responsibility and encourage individuals to practice actively in waste reduction efforts. For example, community workshops and educational campaigns can inform residents about recycling, composting, and proper waste disposal methods. Additionally, waste management apps can provide citizens with real-time information about waste collection schedules, recycling guidelines, and local sustainability initiatives, empowering them to take action. Now, web dialects. Web dialects means technical programming languages we have used in this presentation. First of all, HTML and CSS. HTML and CSS create well-structured, visually appealing, and user-friendly websites. And next, JavaScript. JavaScript is essential for creating rich, interactive web applications that enhances user experience. And now Python. Python's combination of simplicity, versatility, and strong community support makes it a top choice for many programming tasks across various domains. And now PHP. PHP helps us to connect the backend and front ends. And now Java. Java's reliability, performance, and extensive ecosystem make it a top choice for a wide range of applications from web and mobile development to enterprise.
Waste management is a critical issue that requires our immediate attention and action. By leveraging innovative technologies and engaging our communities, we can create a more efficient, sustainable, and cost-effective management system. The benefits are clear: a healthier environment, economic growth, and improved public health. I encourage each of you to think about how you can contribute to sustainable waste management in your communities, whether through individual actions or by supporting local initiatives. Thank you for your attention, and I am happy to take any questions.